Hi all, I've got unboxing for you today. They are from Louis Vuitton and I just got them. And let's just get started with the big one first. So this is the big box. Okay, not too big, but bigger than this one. And this is the true unboxing. I just got them and I think I do an unboxing video because I'm gonna be busy. So here is the bigger stuff, and this is the Felicie, Pochette Felicie in Damier Ebene. The inside is beautiful red lining. It comes with 2 inserts. Looks like so. It's the card slots, 8 card slots here and 1 compartment here for the bills or anything. It's a very generous size and it's made of leather. And this one is the zipper pouch with the red lining. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. Oh, I love it. It's a good insert. I will use it for my money, my bills. And looks like this. Comes with the beautiful chain, and it has 1 slip pocket here. It's the tags and the, what is that, model number. Okay, it's N63032. It's Pochette Felicie in Damier Ebene. It's made in France. Okay, maybe you can see the tag better. I got this Pochette Felicie because as you all know, I just returned my favorite recently because that clutch is flimsy. It's not as structured as this Felicie, so I think I will try the Felicie one because I need some kind of wallet on chain for every day that I don't have to worry about. And I really want the Damier Ebene one just because it has the red interior lining. How pretty is that? So that's my Pochette Felicie. And now the smaller box is much more interesting, as this one is the hot item right now, and I'm so excited that I can get my hands on it earlier. Despite where I live, usually we are the last to get anything new here. So I was surprised that my Louis Vuitton has this. And as you can see, it's small leather goods. So this is the Zoe Wallet in monogram with fuchsia. The interior is fuchsia and it's made in France. It's a very new item and super hot right now. My SA came and showed me the Rose Ballerine and the Emperor one. I almost bought the Emperor one, but then I think all my Chanel wallet and SLGs has the black and gold combination. So I think this monogram with the fuchsia is a bit different than my SLG that I have now. So I opt for this one. I will insert video when I have to pick one, and it was hard, guys. But anyway, let me show you what this Zoe wallet can carry after this. This Zoe wallet is a very small compact wallet. As you can see, it's practically the size of my palm here, and this is the size that I was expecting my Victorian wallet to be. But anyway, the dimension of this wallet is around 3.7 inches in width and 3.2 inches in height and almost 1 inch in depth. And it opens with one snap closure button here. I love it that the button is in metal, not the leather tab, as many of Louis Vuitton wallet has recently. So it opens like so. This one is the monogram with the fuchsia. This part is the smooth leather part, and the back side has one slip pocket here for the cards. And the inside has 4 slip card slot, and it's made in France, just in case I haven't mentioned it. And it has one zipper compartment here. I like it that the zipper pull is made from metal, not the usual leather tab. And it has this small little compartment for coins or anything you want to put inside. And this is the model number. I hope you can see that. I'm sorry it's so bright in here. Let me read it for you. It's M62932. It's Zoe monogram fuchsia. So that's the coin compartment, and it has one compartment for bills, which I really love. Okay, now let's see what I can put inside this wallet and how it will look after I put my things. This is the cards, the size of our regular cards. One over here and one over here, and 2 slip pocket here. Okay, 1 cards over here and 1 on the back. I think you can double it, but I am not doing it now because it's still quite snug fit because it's still new. And let's try with bills. Okay, this has about 12 bills. I cut the plain paper the size of my bills here. And let's try with the coins. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins. Okay, and close it. Okay, can close quite snugly. I think I put too much coin in there. Let's take off some of them. Okay, so wiggle it a little and it's in better shape. I think when if you have the Emperor one, it will be more flexible because of the leather is softer than this one. And let's try to put 1 card on the back here. Okay, so it's about the maximum I can carry in this wallet. And although the shape is a bit uneven here, but it's still cute and compact, not too bulky as I imagine. Okay, maybe it will be bulkier if I add more cards or bills, but Now it's good like this. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time and hope to see you again soon. Bye guys. Sleep till I come home. Dream